Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting crypto that every one of us should have in his or her portfolio. What makes this very interesting right now is that Ripple is one of those cryptocurrencies that it keeps expanding its network. It's real that it makes it more important than the other things, so they are creating and connecting new contracts with different countries. With the latest one that was shared during some days ago, we can see that Ripple, the leader in enterprise blockchain and crypto solution, today announced a partnership with Singapore-based major payments institution FOMOPay, which will utilize the Ripple crypto-enabled enterprise technology to improve the cross-border treasury flows. So as you can see, they are expanding their network. Also, during some months ago, if you remember, if you go back in March, I guess, in March 20, look at here, we had also Ripple that created also another contract with one of the top banks for cross-border payments, and the details for the article. So this is one of the biggest Canadian banks. CIBC is a leading Canadian bank-based global financial institution with 11 million personal banking and business clients. So it's huge, and they are using Ripple as well. And they have also many other contracts that they are using. But let's go on also on the other side, on the technical perspective. And we are going to look at that. It looks very interesting. So in my opinion, Ripple is a must that we should have in our portfolio. If I'm going to look at the left side of the structure, on July 20, so it was when the pandemic situation began, look at where the price was here, and we can see that price tested the lower part of the structure. Look at how beautiful on the weekly chart all of this movement was stopped. Also, we can say that despite the fact that they are having problems with the suit that they have in USA, all the crypto market is down actually, so it is not related only with Ripple, but Ripple will move up again and they will increase a lot in value. I think that probably even if they are not going to win the suit in the with the US government, probably it will not be affect the crypto price where it is right now. I will make a brief presentation on the benefits of the WhiteBIT crypto exchange. WhiteBIT is one of the largest European cryptocurrency exchanges. What is really surprising about this broker is that they possess European exchange and custody licenses. WhiteBIT meets the KYC and AML requirements. That means that you will have reliable protection of assets and their securities. You can also make passive income from your money even if you don't intend to invest in certain time periods. Earn up to 30% of passive income on Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT. These interest rates are impressive compared to other brokers. They have also low trade rates up to 0.1%. You can trade more than 450 trading pairs, and their referral program offers 40% revenue from referral trading commissions. If you want protected funds and earn more passive income, you can open an account via the referral link in the comment section below. Also, on the other hand, as long as we are looking at all of these new contracts that they are creating, we can say that they are just growing. So we are not looking at anything bad in Ripple. So let's break it down on the daily time frame. It will look very interesting how the price is creating. Look at the beautiful structure on the daily chart. We have this channel here. I'm making a clone of the support line, and we can see that the price is moving within a beautiful channel. On the lower part of the structure we have the support area, and on the lower part, on the upper part, we have the resistance area of the price. It looks very interesting right now. Bitcoin is actually creating a small correction on the other side. So what we can expect on Ripple is probably a small movement, a small correction, or could be one. So probably if the first movement was approximately like this wave here, we can have approximately the same movement. However, that is not a must. So we can see also any other type of formation, but this can be a very good entry point if price is going to come down. So we can see Ripple to test 0.3588, but it can come also on the lower part of the channel, and we can see it moving up again. I don't want to focus on the bearish side right now, because it is not the bearish side that I'm focused at all. The structure that we are actually looking at here, this is looking very beautiful. Price keeps making higher highs and higher lows, so it should be somewhere at this point, and it makes sense to be somewhere at this point before it keeps moving higher. And this is showing also that price is accumulating bullish volume at this point, and it may increase. So both the fundamental perspective and the technical perspective is very good in Ripple. Also, this is very good for long-term investors, in my opinion, and this is what I'm looking at on Ripple. Mainly, I'm not looking at this trade for the short term. What is happening right now is that I want to focus just on the buy point, and after that it should be a long trade, in my opinion. At least this is what I'm looking at. So even if you are going to target not a very long-term perspective target, but only a small one, if we are going to look at the top of the structure where the price was before the first bearish movement, you will see that only this target from the entry point that I'm looking at here, it is about 140%, so it's not bad at all, but the price should continue rising more. Even if we are going to be a bit more conservative for Ripple, all of these structure areas are going to be very good target zones all the time. So let's increase it. You will see that it comes as 240 and 50%. Even if you don't want to keep Ripple as a long time investment, but considering that they are still connecting contracts with governments, different governments, they have with Canada, they have with Singapore as well, so probably they are going to make other contracts with other countries. It will be very interesting, because it doesn't make sense at all that after creating those incomes the price should stay in this place again, because Ripple is proving that it is very useful for this type of transactions, so they have a clear focus on what they are doing. So this is what I wanted to share with you, and what I really have on my long-term portfolio. This is very good as buy point also if you want to add right now, but I would like to wait for 0.3580 as the first buy area here, as it looks very interesting. So hope you guys enjoyed all of this information. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future contents. Thank you. Bye bye.